What's up guys? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be explaining how to adjust and properly aim the low and high beam headlights on a 1979 to 1986 four-eyed Foxbody. To adjust the headlights on your 79 to 86 Foxbody, you'll need a long reach Phillips head screwdriver for the adjustment screws, a tape measure, and some thin line masking tape. I would also recommend a battery charger while making adjustments, as this procedure could potentially drain the battery pretty good depending on how long it takes you. Now, just to clear the air here guys, this is not scientific by any means. The method I'm about to show you simply works. It doesn't require a ton of effort or crazy tools for that matter. At the end of the day, let's not overthink this. As long as the light beams are properly adjusted, we have great nighttime visibility and we aren't being flashed by oncoming traffic, I'd say we did our job. So what do you say? Let's align some headlights. To get started, verify that all of the headlights power on and are properly working. Find some level ground in conjunction with a flat wall. Before we adjust the headlights, we'll first want to snag a few measurements. The first measurement is the distance between the center points on the low beam headlights. This measurement will be approximately 48.5 inches. Now measure the distance between the high beam lights, and this distance is roughly 33.5 inches. Lastly, measure the distance from the ground to the center point of the headlight. This distance is 26.5 inches. Position the car as close to the wall as you can, and then place a vertical piece of tape on the wall that is in line with the center of the car. Now you can roll the car back so that the front bumper is 25 feet from the wall. Measure 26.5 inches up from the floor and place a horizontal tape line through the center line. Divide the low and high beam center point lengths in half and measure out from the center. Place a vertical piece of tape for the low and high beam measurements. Now use a longer piece of tape and extend the horizontal line from the center out. Verify that this piece is 26.5 inches off of the floor. Do the same for the other side of the wall. Now that we have a nice template to go off of, turn on the headlights. Right off the bat, we notice that our driver's side light is way out of alignment, so I'll go ahead and start with that one first. For a better understanding, cover the side that you are not working on with something that won't scratch or mar painted surfaces. A fender cover works very well for this. The vertical adjustment is located at the top of the headlight, and the horizontal adjustment is located on the side. Turn the adjustment screws clockwise or counterclockwise to move the light beam. I chose to center the light beam around the crosshair on the wall. Remember, the low beams will use the outside crosshairs. Whenever you have one side done, move to the other side. Now we can adjust the high beams. You'll need two covers for this since the low beams stay on whenever the high beams are activated. Repeat the same adjustment steps as you did for the low beam headlights and center the high beam around the inside crosshair. Do the same for the other high beam light. At this time, you can check over your work and then you're good to go. To see more helpful videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. Feel free to check out our other videos, and of course, for all things Fox Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.